Okay, we got a great position to share with you today. This is a full-time opportunity for a Linux kernel driver developer. It's with an electrical vehicle startup group located here in the United States, and the exciting thing about this role is that they are offering 100% remote work from home capabilities, which we do not see often on the embedded Linux and especially the kernel level. So if you want to hear more, stick around as I dive deeper in this video.
What's up guys, Chance here, President and Director of Technical Recruiting at ATRS. We specialize in helping embedded Linux engineers find their ideal position with high-tech companies throughout the United States. So if you're thinking about leveling up your career or just looking for some new and exciting tech to get your hands on in regards to embedded systems development, then pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us a text, email, days, nights, weekends. We have your back when it comes to finding your next position in embedded systems development. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's start discussion regarding the 100% remote opportunity. Because usually when I hear this, I'm a little skeptical just because we don't see it too often. But this group is actually currently, has their development engineering team 100% remote, but their teams are overseas. And so what they're trying to do is bring their teams here to the US. So the manager actually sits in Boston, and they have offices in California and some manufacturing also in Texas. But again, they're open to, it doesn't matter the time zone, as long as you're within the United States, they'll consider you. In a dream case scenario, the manager would like somebody in Boston just so that they'd be able to meet in person on a case-by-case basis. But again, it's not a hard requirement. As long as you're within the United States, this opportunity is for you. Now let's discuss the technical requirements. So first off, this group is developing the next generation Drive.OS. In order to qualify for this role, you're going to need to be a strong Linux kernel driver developer and also have some vehicle management systems background. Okay, now that's going to eliminate a lot of engineers, but again, with this group's current situation and where they're at as a company, it's crucial for them to hire, the key components right now. And their first hire here in the US is going to have to require strong EV background on the kernel development side. Now let's discuss more details regarding the company. Now the company is still startup, protected by an NDA, so we can't share any specific financial status or anything like that. But what I can tell you is that they are self-funded. They actually have vehicles in production, and these machines that they're building are, they're selling for $250,000 to $350,000. So that kind of gives you an idea of the types of machines and the demographic that they're targeting. They're in talks with Mercedes and companies alike, and they're around 30 to 35 employees, which is mostly overseas, and that number is going to grow, but slowly, as they strategically hire and make sure that they hire the right people for their technical needs as they continue to grow. Last but not least, let's talk salary. So this group is trying to be as competitive as they can, given that they're targeting US talent, and their base salary is anywhere between $200 and $250K that they're offering to senior level engineers. There will be some flexibility, but that kind of gives you an idea of their range. Now, there are no options or set in stone bonus that is offered up front. It's almost like, hey, as we grow, so will your compensation package. So you'll really have to be bought into the company, the industry, and as well as the opportunity to work 100% remote. They are accepting H-1B candidates, but like a lot of other companies, they're going to be very selective, given that process takes some time and there is some risk. So you'll really have to be hitting on all cylinders in order to get the H-1B transferred. But that gives you an idea of what they're offering cash component wise. Senior level candidates are anywhere between $200 and $250K. Okay, that's it for this video. If you liked what you've heard and you're interested in learning more, feel free to click the link in the description below to schedule a one-on-one with us so we can dive deeper into your technical background and determine if this position is a good fit for you. Until next time, thank you.